Okay, for review, I'm just gonna go over the answers quite quickly and you guys can see based upon what you did yourself if you got it right or not. So the first one, how many inches does this diver on platform number 1 fall before he hits the water? So we have to know that this is 4 meters. 4 meters times 39.37. So the answer to that, just you can use a calculator, is 157 inches. Okay, next, how many feet is that? It is 13 feet. Okay, so if we had 12 inches, that makes up 1 foot. So we have to divide this number, 157, divided by 12. And we would get 13. Okay, next, how deep is the pool in inches? So we know that this is feet. So again, we have to do feet times inches. So we would do 20 times 12. And we would get 240 inches. Okay, next one, how many meters is that? Okay, so if we know that there is 1 meter, 1 meter has 39.37 inches, then that means we need to divide this number by 39.37. And we are going to get 6 meters. Okay, so that is, that's the way that the pools work for us normally. We have like, how many meters deep is it? Okay, next, how far in inches does the is the diver on platform 2 from the bottom of the pool? Okay, so we have, this is a hard one. So we have to get inches in total for this plus this, right? The depth of the pool. So we know that the depth of the pool is in inches. We know that it is 240, right? Because we found that from here. Now we have to just figure out how far 8 meters is in inches. So we have to do 8 times 39.37. And we get, I'm just saying this because I did this already, calculator, 476. So then we have to, oh no, wait, that's not right. Sorry, that's the total answer, 476. So it's going to be 236 was 8 times 39. Yeah, because if you look at that, if you did 10 times, it would be like 390, right? But it's gonna be a little bit less. So there you go, your answer. We add those two together to get this as your answer, and we have to say the units, inches. Okay, next, now this one's a little bit more challenging. How many more inches from the water is the diver on platform 3 than the diver on platform 1? Okay, well, platform 3, he is 8 meters up, and then platform 4, he is 4 meters up, right? So we know the difference is, so it's 4 meters is the difference, and we have to figure out how far 4 meters is in inches. So I think we already did that one, right? 100, yeah, it should be again 157, because 100, it's the same answer as this, because this was also 4. Okay, inches. Nice. How many more feet from the water is a diver on platform 3 than the diver on platform 2? So here we know that there's a difference between these guys, right, of 2 meters. So how do we figure that out in, how many more feet? Okay. So we have to convert first of all to inches, right? So let me see here. Meters, okay, so he is 2 meters, which we're going to then do 2 meters times 39.37. Okay, and then we take that answer and then we divide that by 12 because we have to figure out it in feet. So the answer is 6.5 or 6.5 feet. Okay, there we go. That one was kind of tricky, but excellent. Okay, now we're doing this math regatta. So we are figuring out which numbers, this one's not gonna be quite as hard to do. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, so we have to draw lines between them. Okay, so we have to match the sailors to the boat. So, okay, let's see here. So, all right, let's just do A. Okay, so what type of triangles are these ones? Okay, let's see. Well, I think we have, and this looks like an equilateral to me. I would sort of think that these all look the same. So equilateral. And then this one is, this one looks like it is, this angle here looks like it's obtuse, right? So I think it's gonna connect to number 4, okay? So 4. Okay, next one is, let's do, okay, so B, I guess. We'll go into this next one, B here. Okay, so B, it looks like we have, let's see. Well, this is a right angle. And then this one looks like, well, I guess it's not scalene, isosceles? Do we have that? Okay. Right acute, right obtuse. Oh yeah, this is an acute angle. Okay, yeah, so this one, 3. Okay, next one, C. Let's see here. Okay, well, we know that this is obtuse. And then I think they're just talking about the types within, and this one looks like it's acute. So it's gonna be this one, 5. Okay, next one. Okay, this one looks like it is, these look like they're all acute. Yeah, acute, scalene, or sorry, not scalene, isosceles, this looks like it's equilateral. So acute equilateral, so 1. And that means by process of elimination, this one should be 2, which is obtuse and right. This is definitely obtuse, this is definitely right. There we go. Okay, cool. Nice. Alrighty, next one is the World Cup computation. Okay. All right. Okay. So for this one, you know what? I'm just going to go through the answers just to make this like a little bit kind of quicker. So we have, let's see. Okay. So 4 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, or 1 tie. So that means we're doing 4 times 3, and then 3 times 0, and then 3 times 1. So here we have 12, 0, and then 3. So we should have 15. Okay? All right, next one, Mexico. Okay, I'm just gonna go through the answers. I've already done these in advance. This should be 14, and then whatever this one is. Oh, Guatemala. Oh, this is cool. We can see the different flags. I wish it was in color. That'd be even cooler. Okay, Guatemala has 15 points. Spain has 11 points. Japan has 14 points. Czech Republic, 19. Woof! Cameroon, 18. Okay, so that's if we went through all of it, right? Like this one would be 6 times 3 plus 4 times 0. But you know, we don't even have to do the losses, right? Because it's automatically 0 points. And then it would be 0 times 1. Okay, so 6 times 3, 18. All right, there you go. Okay, so which country earned the most points? Well, we know it is the Czech Republic. Oh, I always spell that wrong. C-Z-E-C-H, Czech Republic. And then which country earned the least? It is Spain. All right, cool. Next one, math on track. Okay, so for this one, okay, I'm just gonna go through the answers for us. Okay, so let's see. Speedy Smith finishes 1 lap in 2 minutes. How many laps will he finish in 20 minutes? Okay, well that's easy, 10, right? It's half. 10 laps. Okay, next one. After 11 minutes and 15 seconds, Race Ace has completed 15 laps. How long did it take him to complete 1 lap? Okay. Alrighty, so what we need to do is convert this into only seconds, and then we're going to get our answer in seconds because we can't have the same thing. So we know 11, let's see here. Okay, 11 and then times 60. So what's 6 times 11? 66, and then we add in a 0. So it's going to be, so 660 will be that, plus 15 seconds, so 675 seconds. And then we have to divide that by 15. Okay, you can use a calculator for this. The answer that you're going to get is 45 seconds. Okay, at the same rate, how long will it take him to complete 25 laps? So at the same rate, so we're going to do 45 times 25. Okay, double digit multiplication. Let me see here. Okay, yeah, okay. So, all right, we can do this. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, 20, 22, add in the 0. And then this is going to be 10, bring up the 1, 8, 9. So 5, 2, and then 11. Okay, then what we need to do is divide that by 60. You can use your calculator for this, and you're going to realize that we get 18 minutes, and then what's left over is 45 seconds. So it should be 18 minutes, 45 seconds. Okay, Slick Vic completes 10 laps in 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Miles to go completes 15 laps in 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, at what is the rate at which both drivers, what is the rate of both drivers and who is driving at a faster rate? Whoa, okay, this is really tricky. All right, so basically what we need to do here is figure out, okay, this is actually, I need a bit more space for this one. Okay, so what we have to do for this is we need to convert all of them. So 10 minutes times 60 is, so 10 times 60 is 600. So it's going to be 620 minutes for him. But then we're dividing it by 10. So his rate is going, so we're just going to move the decimal over. So his rate is like 62. 62 seconds per lap. Okay, so that's Slick Vic. Okay, and then I'm going to change it, miles to go. Miles to go, haha, get it? Is 15 laps in 15 seconds and 15 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, so 15, okay, so 15, so we have to do 15 times 60, 0, and then 1, and then 0, and then 30, 0, 6, 9. So 910 plus 15 seconds, so 915 seconds, and then divided by 15. Okay, 915 divided by 15. We can use a calculator for that one, and we get the answer as 61. Okay, so he is 61 seconds per lap. Okay. All right, so who is driving at a faster rate? Slick Vic is going at a faster rate. He has a higher value. And by how much? So basically by 1 lap more. Okay, so at this rate, how long will it take both racers to finish 35 laps? Okay, well, we have to do both of those times 35. Okay, times 35. So let's see here. Okay, so this is 10, carry the 1, 5 times 6 is 30, so 31, bring down the 0, this is 6, and then this would be 18. So his is, this is really messy, I'm taking more space. This is bad of me to be doing this. And this is 11, 2, okay? So that is for, okay, Slick Vic, but then we have to divide it by 60 to get it into minutes. So his, once we do all of this, Slick Vic is 18 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, and then this guy, 61, no, Mike, miles to go is 5, and this would be 30, 0, 3, and then 18. So 5, 3, 11, 2. Okay, then we have to do that. So this is a 3, then we have to do this divided by 60. And we get miles to go is 21 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, so this guy is faster. Okay, only by 1 second. Isn't that crazy? He's 1 second faster, but look how much of a difference it makes in their times. Okay, Larry the lapper drives at a rate of 1 lap per 86 seconds. He is in a race that is 13 laps long. Okay, at this rate, how long in minutes and seconds will it take him to complete 13 laps? Okay, so we have to do basically 13 times 86. So 86 times 13. Then here we have, this is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 8, 24, 25. Bring down the 0, 6, and then 8. So 8, 11, 11. Okay, then we have to divide that by 60. And we are going to get, let's see, I think it is 36, is that right? Oh, 18 minutes and 38 seconds. Is that right? 36 minutes. Yeah, 18 minutes and 38 seconds. Ah! Sorry, I copied down the wrong thing here. Sorry, I did this earlier, but this is not right. This one, sorry, this one should have been 36 minutes and 10 seconds for Slick Vic. And then miles to go should have been 35 minutes and 35 seconds. Sorry, that was my bad. Okay, then the next one. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so there we go. If he spends 2 minutes and 32 seconds making a pit stop, how much longer will it take him to finish the race? Alrighty, so we just have to add on. So 18 and then 38 seconds. So if he added on an extra 2 minutes and 32 seconds, we have to add this, right? So this is a 0 and then a 1 up here. But this is already now a minute. So this is gonna be 10 seconds, right? Because we know that 60, that's already 60. So we have an extra 1 over here. So we have an extra minute over here. So it's gonna be 21 minutes and 10 seconds. Whew, okay, that's it. That was hard. I don't think this